Hi everybody, just working on my 1977 Honda XL 125. Has about 9,100 miles on it, about I think 14,000 kilometers, which is quite a bit. Still runs good, burns a little oil. Gonna do an oil change on it and change the battery out. Just picked one up. It's charging. Some good old Honda oil. Not too bad. Front shocks may need to rebuild. Seat was recovered by the last owner. I bought it just about in the summertime. It's spring right now. It's about a year ago. It's not a bad little bike. So changed out the grips at one point. Some different ones. I don't know what the hell they're off of. Guess it'll do. Back rim, I'm pretty sure, is bent a little bit. Rubbing against right in here in this plastic guard. Chain was changed out last week. Same with these bolt tensioners. This one broke. Still runs good. Lots of power. Thought I'd show you. Oops. Wrong way. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty dark. One other thing I want to note is this thing has the back foot pegs for the passenger on that side and this side still work. Also, this, thinking it's Honda mud flap. I don't know if it came originally with it, but maybe it was a accessory. It looks like somebody tack screwed it on there, but I don't know, just never seen that before. I got another XL just like this, same year, same model, same everything, and don't have that kind of stuff on it. It's also in a lot better shape, has a lot less miles, but that's another video to do. Maybe show that one. Also doesn't have the side covers on it, but I do have both of them. They're both cracked, broken. Same on that side. I think that side's in better shape, I think. Don't remember. But I do have both of them. Just don't have the mirrors or nothing. Which my other one actually has mirrors. Cool enough. Alright, it's time to take out the drain. The filter. I need a 24mm socket to take that out, which I got, with an extension on it. Get at it. There we go. One hand. Oh, shit. Hold on just a second. Here we go. There we go. Oops. Well, that's pretty close. Get that out of there. That little filter. There we go. Don't know what that is. A little bit of garbage in there, I think, but whatever. It's an old bike. Oh yeah. I got to let it drain for a little longer and I'll be back. Alright, time to change out the batteries. This one's charged up. Brand new Canada proof battery. Also, an old Discovery. I don't know what that is. I heard that brand. So, let's put it in. Oil was changed. Put some fresh oil in it. Put the filter back in. Oh, that piece that was on that filter was actually looked like part of some gasket, like a gasket sealer or something like that for the top end or something. It was no metal, so should be fine. Put this battery in here with one hand. There we go. That runs down there somewhere. Let's plug this in. Come on. Sorry. There we go. Straighten that down. I think it goes down here. I'm not quite sure, but I think it does. Battery drain. Get that down there. Whatever. Let's see if we got some lights. Oh yeah, we got a neutral light. That's brighter. That's a lot brighter. And oh yeah, we got a little dash light going on there. A little bit of tail light going on there too. Let's see if the brake light works. Oh yeah. Brake light wasn't even working on the last battery. It was so dead, just the neutral light was working once in a while. Alright. Alright. See if we can get it running. Start. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alrighty. Runs good. Fresh oil. Running good. Thanks for watching.